Geely X5 2026 Full Exterior Details. The Geely X5 is a modern electric SUV with a clean, aerodynamic design that emphasizes efficiency and technology rather than aggressive styling. Front design: closed front grille, a signature EVE design, slim full LED headlights with integrated daytime running lights, sculpted front bumper with aerodynamic air curtains, smooth hood lines that improve airflow and efficiency, side profile, flush electric door handles that automatically extend when unlocked, strong shoulder line running from the front fender to the taillights, black lower body cladding for a rugged SUV appearance, aerodynamically optimized 18-inch alloy wheels. Long wheelbase gives the vehicle a premium stance. Rear design: full-width LED taillight bar across the tailgate, integrated roof spoiler for improved aerodynamics, clean rear bumper design with no exhaust outlets, electric liftgate available on higher trims. Exterior dimensions: specification vaulting for 1,615, width 1,901 mm 1,670, wheelbase 2,750, ground clearance 148, turning circle 10.8 meters. Lighting: full LED headlights, automatic high beam function, LED daytime running lights, full width LED rear light signature, welcome lighting with logo projection, wheels and tires. Standard 18-inch alloy wheels, 225/55 are 18 tires. Low drag wheel design to improve driving range. Exterior colors: available colors include white, black, gray, silver, green including jungle green on some markets. Practical features: rear charging port location, roof mounted spoiler, power folding mirrors, keyless entry, large cargo area with up to 1,877 L storage when rear seats are folded. Overall, the Geely X5 exterior combines sleek styling, practical SUV proportions, and aerodynamic details, making it look more premium than many compact electric SUVs in its price segment. Geely X5 2026 Full Interior Details. The 2026 Geely X5 features a modern, premium cabin focused on comfort, technology, and spaciousness. Dashboard and cockpit. Large 15.4-inch HD. Touchscreen infotainment system positioned at the center of the dashboard. XiWheels Plus One. 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster for driving information. Cars Guide Plus One. Available 13.8-inch head-up display HUD, projecting key information onto the windshield. Geely Plus One. Two-spoke multifunction steering wheel with a futuristic design. NetSpeed software Plus One. Seats and comfort. Premium vegan leather, synthetic leather upholstery. NetSpeed software Plus One. Front seats use Geely's 5-1 layer comfort technology for improved support and cushioning. Geely Plus One. Heated and ventilated front seats. Higher trims add memory and massage functions. XiWheels Plus One. Front seats can fold nearly flat for resting during charging stops. Geely Plus One. Spacious rear seating with excellent legroom and headroom. Geely UAE One. Interior design and materials. Soft touch dashboard and door panels. Wood grain style center console trim. Ambient lighting system with up to 256 colors. XiWheels Plus One. Interior color options include cloud light white gray and midnight dark blue black. Cars Guide Plus One. Technology and connectivity. Flime Auto operating system. Voice assistant Hi Geely for hands-free control. Geely Plus One. Wireless smartphone charging pad. NetSpeed software. Multiple USB and USB-C charging ports for front and rear passengers. NetSpeed software. Audio system. Premium Flime sound system. Up to 16 speakers with a 1000 West amplifier on higher trims. Geely Plus One. Cabin space. 461-liter luggage compartment. XiWheels. Large panoramic sunroof with UV protection and rain sensing automatic closure. Geely Plus One. Numerous storage compartments and a spacious floating center console. Geely UAE One. Refinement. Very quiet cabin measured at about 68.3 decibels at 120 kilometers per hour, helping create a luxury-like atmosphere. Geely Plus One. For many buyers, the X5's interior is considered one of its strongest features, offering more space and comfort than many competing compact electric SUVs. What car? Plus two.